everyone, welcome back to the vlog. We're in Israel. I didn't do a travel vlog because it was a really long travel and I didn't really feel like filming. I had already just filmed a video like 2 days before that. We're in Israel now. The pastries here are amazing. I love them. They're like France, but in my opinion, it's more expensive here. It's definitely an expensive country. The conversion rate is about 3.6 to 1, and usually for breakfast it's about 10 shekels, the currency is called. I'm standing in front of a road, so I'm yelling into the camera because it's really loud. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to the Dead Sea, which is the saltiest and lowest point of sea water that's not seawater on Earth. The saltiest and lowest point covered by water on Earth. Square foot of water normally weighs about 0.6 of a kilogram. This water weighs 1.2 kilograms per square foot. It's 34% salt and it's extremely salty. It's the saltiest body of water in the world. And we're gonna go float in it today. So welcome back to the vlog. Let's get started.
This was the last building theater of the
This is historical.
that would be calling this place the old city, carrying the
Lean back now. Lean back. Lift your legs up. Oh, what the heck? Wait, what? What?
I am not touching the bottom, I swear. Oh, this is...
Film it now.
It's in that deep, and I don't think I'm that big, honestly. Okay, so I am floating like this. My stomach is on the surface, and when it's standing, almost waist deep. I don't think I'm really that fat. How do you get a better angle? This is supposed to be good for your skin. I'm a mud demon. Oh God!